I want to show you a lighting hack. These puck lights that you get from Dollar Tree. You can get these puck lights from the Dollar Tree, which are probably $1.25. They're pretty bright. As you can see, they're super bright. And when I position it, it gives good lighting, but it doesn't stay. What I do so that this light stays on top of my laptop is I take a binder clip. Binder clips are, I think, the greatest invention of all time because they're so practical. You can use them for many different things. I take the binder clip and I do this, okay? What you do here is that you take a binder clip, okay? And because you want to keep this, you want to make sure that this doesn't fall over while you're recording and you want to give yourself some lighting. So you're going to take the binder clip and you're going to like attach it like that. Make the thing fall down like that. Take the top part, this part here, and it's like that. So it's like that, okay? And this is the bottom part where you're pulling up the little kickstand, and now you could position it over the top of your computer and turn it on. You can see part of it. I'm trying to block out my camera. But now you have lighting from this $1.25 puck light that you can get from the Dollar Tree. We have this one here. This is super blinding. Okay, let's see if we can make this one work. I'm going to turn this one off. So we're going to do the same thing what we did with the puck light. So that we're going to take the binder clip. This position, if you were going to like stand it up, we're going to have the binder clip catch onto that, like that. And then we're going to take this part of the binder clip and put it there, and this will keep it like that. And I'm going to put it over and see. Oh, there you go. Let me see. Just bring it up a little bit. Stay. There you go. There you go. But there you go. So this thing here is part of the... So now you have two different types, but you could also use it for filming. So you don't have to get like the expensive ring lights on Amazon. So just go to your nearest Dollar Tree and look for these little puck lights. I got better lighting by putting each puck light on either side of the webcam of my laptop, like so, and turning it on. Here's one light, and here's two light. Look at that. Much better lighting. And I'll include a picture I took with both puck lights. If you don't have the money right now to invest in good lighting and light boxes and all these stuff, because you're starting out, this is a great way to go. So I hope this helps. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.